So hello friends, and welcome back to GoodGrades online mathematics classes. Previous year's question paper discussion for class 10 Board of Secondary Education Manipur. I ngasi continue tawdusina coordinate geometry session number 4. Okay, ado. Sigi question ji mamange koina session number 3 the discuss tawgiba question do yam similar oi but with a different twist. Okay, so Aikoina mamang the x-axis y-axis na kakpugi discuss tawgibani, and this time around we are going to discuss how to solve the question when x-axis is the line that divides. Okay, so question question the line segment joining the points -2 -3 cover point and 5 6 cover point natra sigi point ani ji x-axis na ka a x-axis na kakpasida magi ratio of division ji kaya no one marker in hangre see 2018 the option pyramid. Okay, so do it the question you understand the let's first draw out this question natra akoina ahambada x is an easy experience. Okay, x is an easy yeah. Now sina x-axis or sina y-axis or okay. Point number is the -2 3 ibama -2 -3 ibama another. So either point number is 5 6 ibama. Okay. Now karigumba sigi point ani je koina samjana je point ani je samjana ba matam ji dai da x axis na ka a nadra x axis na kadai de ka e sigi area ji da chama ka a x axis na kadro y axis ju ka pa area mi yawi akoina adu da ka ta de question angi je x axis na kakpani nadra adu ita mamang de koina discuss taw x axis na karigumba kakpa di y coordinate kaya oini jai pe diengsi x axis na kakpani na y ki value ji 0 adum oiroidra koin mamang da y axis na kakpa matam da x ki value 0 oidra. Now x axis na kakpa matam da y ki value ji always 0 oini aduna point si kariana hai bi hai x 0 na hai bi hai gan tarani ko muka halake x axis na kakpa matam da y coordinate 0 oiba. Okay, y axis na kakpa matam da x coordinate 0 oiba sigi concept ani ji khatang understand tawaga yare. Okay, so let's continue. Adu ita de koina section formula seasonarsi section formula seasonar da x 0 haibam lerni point of intersection natra mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n natra my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, substitute taurasi m ki value je koi khangde puthok torin x2 is na kya no minus x2 is 3 6 5 6 natra x2 is 5 plus and x1 is minus 2 divided by m plus n. Similarly m y2 is y2 is 6 plus n y1 is minus 3 divided by m plus n. Adu ita de koi kya la raha 5m minus twice n divided by m plus n and 6m minus thrice n divided by m plus n. Natra adu de koi na ing khangmada kai hare y coordinate 0 ini hare adu ita di y coordinate 0 eramnina left hand side ki 0 jiga right hand side ki y coordinate jiga equate tawba yare natra. Now equate tawba matamda kai lere 6m minus thrice n is equal divided by m plus n is equal to 0 haibam lere natra. So we have 6m minus thrice n is equal to 0 into m plus n. 6m minus thrice n is equal to 0 nata 6 m is equal to thrice n, m by n is equal to 3 by 6, which means 1 by 2. The ratio is equal to ratio is m is to n is equal to 1 is to 2. Okay, so the 1 is to 2. Option number D. So option number D is the right answer. It's a very simple question. Among the question but the only thing that changes is previous session the y-axis na kappa aduna maram moidina x coordinate 0 lakpa. In this case x-axis na kai aduna y coordinate 0 lakpa. Okay, so this is session number 4. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you had a good time. I'll see you in the next class.